Okay, so I need wall art and I don't want to pay a lot of money for it. And I'm not going to pay a lot of money for it. What I've decided to do is find some pieces that I really like, and I did. I went to a couple of websites and found some wall art, and I feel that I should be able to recreate these pieces for much less, and I'm going to show you how I do it. I was inspired by the framed watercolors that I've seen a lot lately. I like the black and white of this palm leaf print. I also wanted some green. Now I did not exactly duplicate any of the designs that I found, but more so just the look or the decor theme. I wanted to create something similar, but using images that I feel better represent my own interests. You can see the Pottery Barn price listed for this set of beautiful herb prints. I went to Google Images and I found these. I printed this outline of Africa so that I could do an image with that. I wanted some wood frames, so I went to the thrift store hoping that I would find 3 identical ones, and I did. Now initially I wanted the full open 8x10, but I think this will work for the idea that I want. I've considered painting the frame white, or I didn't know what I was gonna do, but I'm gonna try and leave it this way and see if we can make it work. Now, because I was unsure if I wanted color or if I just wanted to go with the plain black and white, I also went by Michael's and picked up some craft paper. I used the frame insert as a template to cut the rest of the paper. I cut out the Africa outline and used it as a template in order to create a cutout in gold. I attached the Africa cutout to the green palm leaf paper using glue. Now the prints that I did on Google needed backing to make the paper appear less transparent. I just used the white side of the frame inserts for this. I do wish the frames had glass windows, but they were each less than $1.60, so I'm good. Okay, so they finally sent me the other handle for my dresser. As you can see there, this is the finished look of my wall art. I like it a lot. I am thinking though that I may want to add a little bit more color to the two black and white ones. You guys let me know what you think.